Assalamu alaikum. This is Atikul Rahman Atik in front of this camera. Today I would like to talk about in our free time. Why free time is very important in our life. Free time is very important in our life. That's why people all time busy for working purpose and another work purpose. That's why free time also very important for facing mindset up for natural beauty and others. When this time our mindset up also very well, so it's very important in our life. Like us cities people, most of our time busy. So all people need fresh air, natural beauty and other things. So people need to free time, and right now I am pursuing in my free time, and this place also very beautiful. We are regular come here for our outdoor session, and when we came here and we can see some people playing, some people gossiping, and some player playing football and others sport. We don't get enough time for visiting purpose or spending free time, so it is very important in our life, so we need free time. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.